smile. Can everyone say Kai? Hi, welcome to Gazania Manila. Once again, we have here Antoinette. And she is the first runner-up of the Boys Kids, right? And she came from Team Sharon, right? So how was it being part of Team Sharon? It's her first time to coach, di ba? So, kamusta siya pinag-coach?
Masaya.
Masaya naman. And di naman siya strict sa pag-train niya.
Kung nagkakawin lang po ako nila, papatawa ko siya.
Okay. Para ma-calm down kayo. Tapos, ano yung mga kanta na kinanta mo during yung sa battles? Ano yung pinang-audition mo?
Blind audition po, yung sayang na sayang my ages.
Oh, okay. So, ikaw yung laging nag-play tuwing commercial kasi laging nag-watch yung audition mo. Now, after ng blind auditions, ano yung next stage mo?
Battles.
Battles. So, sino yung mga nakalaban mo?
Si Nisha and Patricia po. Tapos ang kinanta po namin, I Turn to You.
Turn to you by Christina Aguilera? Okay. Okay. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Antoinette from Team Sharon. Thank you.